Who you fooling? Who you fooling? What we doing? What we doing? Call up, bro. What we doing? Like, what we doing? Okay, shawty.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how to tone your 613 hair at home. We're going to go ahead and jump straight into the video. We're going to start off by pouring some hot water into this pan. Next, you're going to go ahead and with your, Next, you're going to go in with your Shimmer Lights purple shampoo and add it into the water. Now, once you've added in your shampoo, you're going to mix thoroughly and make sure the shampoo is completely dissolved into the water. Baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. Alright dolls, so now that the shampoo is completely dissolved, you're going to go in and add some more water if you need to. I wanted to make sure I have enough water to saturate my wig, so I'm going in and adding more. Now we will be using a 613 wig from Posh Make Extensions. We're going to go ahead and dip that right into the water. Now you want to go ahead and completely saturate your wig into the water. Be sure you do not miss anything. Make sure everything is completely dipped into the water to ensure that you get a nice and even tone at the end. Y'all, I'm about to be a blondie, y'all. I'm really about to put on a blonde wig. Like, this is so crazy. But right here, I am pretty much just checking the wig to make sure that it is toning to my liking. And, oh, Lord. Oh, child, I'm back, y'all. I apologize. So now here I am just checking out the hair, making sure everything is good, making sure everything is even. I'm not missing anything. Now this is where you decide if you want to add in some more shampoo to the water, if it's not toned all the way, or if it's still yellow. In my case, it wasn't still yellow, but I did want it to sit a little bit longer. So I'm about to just put it back in the water and let it sit for about 2 to 3 more additional minutes. And then by then we should be okay. So we're going to let that sit and we'll be back for the final results.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle.
Y'all be honest. Y'all think I talk too much through this video? Like, this is my first voiceover. It's a little ratchet, but it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. But I do want y'all opinions, so go ahead, leave some comments down below on how y'all feel, what y'all would recommend I do next time, what y'all would recommend I change. Just leave some recommendations for your girl down below. Now here I am just giving this a quick rinse. We are not going to shampoo. I'm not going to shampoo the wig simply because I feel like I was just using shampoo, even though it was purple shampoo, but I feel like it was shampoo anyway, so there's no reason for me to use shampoo again. But that's just my opinion, right? Because I've noticed people always shampoo afterwards, but I'm not doing that. We're just going to go ahead and condition, let it sit for a little bit, and then not even let it sit. I don't even think I let it sit, but we are definitely going to condition and let it air dry. So I'm not going to do too much yapping. I'm going to let y'all watch the rest of the video, and I'll probably pop back in at the end with the results.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the all night, working in the rhythm, yeah. I wanna ride the all night, working in the rhythm, yeah. I wanna ride. Do you remember
y'all. So here we go. Here's the finished product. Go ahead and let me know what you guys think down below. I do have the styling and install video coming up next, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.